So this is where your second session comes to an end.
Thank
So
you so
thank
much
you
for
very
this
much.
comprehensive program.
I quickly need to take your feedbacks. How was it? Anything that you would like to add, subtract, your overall experience? Quickly in 2 minutes or less than that.
It was wonderful. Like I was thinking कि yeah, वो repeat होगा, क्या होगा. But concepts भी revise होना was good. But the structure you make it and session wise, I don't think any other trainer does that. So you and your willingness to share everything.
That is.
So that's very nice. Thank you so much. It has given me a lot of confidence.
Thank you.
It's also enriching my skills, and then you're more accessible. That makes it more simple and
Yeah.
easier. You feel like doing more and more courses. That makes me so I'm willing to take on another one with one more.
Thank you.
Seeing soon, hoping to see you soon in other if I am able to go through those all models. What you scared me. तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएंगे अगर
मैं आपको बताता हूँ 2 मिनट बस.
Okay,
So because then
okay.
others can leave who would like to.
Okay, okay.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. I will. May I leave, sir?
हाँ बिल्कुल Tripti. Anyone else who wants to share?
And nice meeting all of you.
Thank you.
Tripti, nice meeting you. We'll keep in touch. Delhi wale और यहाँ से.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hoping
Bye. Bye.
I'm doing MPhil, so I will be in my second year soon after this pandemic. So I thought I'll be getting the therapy exposure in my second year. So should I take this course? Anyways, I'm still not earning. I'm still practicing. So I was really in a dilemma. मैंने बहुत last time पे रात के 2 बजे fees pay किया अगर आपने देखा होगा किस time पे मेरा payment आया है. So I was very confused, but I'm really happy. My weekend was very well used.
Yes.
This format, this will stay with me like forever.
Perfect.
And also in my second year, I will be using it a lot.
Thank you.
Definitely, it was very comprehensive, very organized. Actually, I normally am not a very structured person, so when I just get that structure, I feel really happy. So this actually gives a lot of direction, and I'm definitely sure it's going to work out for the clients as well.
Perfect.
And
So-
बाकी हाँ
हाँ,
नहीं
बोले थे
तो
बाकी।
काम किया, of course we'll keep bothering you.
That's completely okay. Also, I hope, see, the idea of putting it into structure is that you understand when you're working with clients, how would you work with clients? So would
Right.
you, do all of you feel that when you're working with clients now, you know how to work and you're confidently be able to work with them?
Yeah, at least it gives you a path. Otherwise, you were all around. You have put it in a structured way. That's making it more simpler. So we need to but practice it, of course.
Application has to happen.
Acha, all of you would like to practice. We have also started the Sunday peer coaching sessions where people online via Zoom can practice with each other, like proper sessions.
Okay.
So if you would like to participate in that, it's every Sunday 11 to 1. Just ping me. I'll send you the details as to how you can join the peer coaching sessions.
And you don't have to pay anything.
These are all free activities.
Okay, now I would like because I need practice in it.
Sure.
So very insightful and very well structured, and you included the core elements that can help us to resolve the matter. It was really wonderful and very kind of you, sir, to offer that in future also we can approach you. Thank you so much. That was really very kind of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was very informative, very compact and full of knowledge. Nice.
Thank you.
It was very good session, Nitin. In fact, yesterday by evening, I was thinking that it's only information we have to give to clients. But today, when we put everything in the particular format and the structure, so at the climax movie was awesome.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nitin, Ranjini here. Thank you so much. It was a fantastic session. I truly enjoyed it. I think very, very well structured, and you gave a structure to something that's usually, like you said, we keep going back and forth sometimes when it comes to counseling. But this gives a real structure to what we're doing. So thank you so much, and you've been extremely approachable. Thanks to you, Mamta and Misbah. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
More scientific approach.